What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's good? What's good? Hey guys, I want to shoot this video today, man, because I wanted to talk about Power Mining Pool. I'm still in it. I'm still rocking and rolling. But I wanted to talk about a situation, man, that I had because I was being a little careless on this platform as well. My security wasn't up to line, and somebody got in my back office, and they tried to withdraw some bread from me. They tried to take $300 from your boy, man. $300 from your boy that I had in here. And what I was about to do was withdraw that 300, and I was like, I was gonna wait until today to withdraw it. So last night I was sitting, I was watching Civil War with the family, and I got an alert. Like, hey, we received your request to withdraw $300. I'm like, wait, no, I didn't. I didn't request shit. So, my first thing was delete the email. Let me go in. Let me go in and do everything I need to do. So I had to jump in, do my tighten up the security, change everything up, and do what I had to do. And this has opened up my eyes as well, guys, is that the main reason I wanted to shoot this video is that you definitely want to protect yourself. You know, definitely want to protect yourself. Don't show no one logging you in no more. Don't show your transactions. Don't show your usernames, guys. Don't let your computer save stuff. If you can, try to have some long passwords. Make sure your two factors on. Just make sure that you're doing whatever you can. It's to store your funds. In your wallets. Just do what you gotta do, guys. So. Someone did. They tried to jump in. They tried to take my stuff, man. And the good thing about Power Mining Pool is why I like this company is that, they actually send you an email to alert you. And then they just don't pull it right away. There's a timeline to where they take a request in. But the thing is that if you do feel like you have something's going on and somebody take your money, you delete the email, send them an email right away. Make sure that everything is updated, your passwords and your email. Even your email information needs to be changed because they could get your email and pretty much hit confirm to send it to wherever they want to send it to. So definitely make sure your email is even updated as well, guys. But if you're looking to get in the Power Mining Pool, it's definitely one of those things on your own risk. As I always say, is that you can lose money in anything that you do. This is definitely a cool little thing that I'm playing in and a cool little thing that I'm doing. If you like, you can definitely check it out. See, read about it, and you do your thing from there. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to go make crazy decisions to go get loans and join any businesses. I'm not telling you to do none of that. Never will have I ever told you to go do that. Unless it's a major program and you feel like that's something that you definitely want to do, that's totally on you, man. That is totally on you. But I would never tell you to do that, and I would never tell no one to do that. But this is kind of what I wanted to kind of talk about today, is that I'm still doing Power Mining Pool, guys. It's still popping. But also make your securities tighten up. Because these crypto hackers, man, they out there. They out there. Middle finger to them, no. Middle finger to them, man. So, at the end of the day, it is what it is, man. So, I just want to shoot this video real fast just to say tighten up your security. If you're dealing with anything crypto, don't give everybody your passcodes. Store all of your keys. Whatever you can, don't, just try not to make it to where people can just get a hold of your stuff, man. Whatever you can. If you can write them down, put them down somewhere somewhere and hide your keys where you ain't got to save it online or storage or something, do that. Whatever, man. But protect yourself. Okay? This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.